Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be discussing about what is the salary comparison between a software developer or a software tester. Who earns more money? Is it software testers earns more money or a software developer earns more money? So that is the topic of this video today. So I'm going to give you multiple views of software developer salary versus software tester salary in the Indian IT industry perspective. The salary of any software engineer depends on various factors. It cannot be concluded with just a one parameters. There are various parameters will be used to arrive the salary for a particular software developer or a software tester. The first one is the attitude of a given resource, whether he could be a developer or he could be a tester. If he doesn't bring the right attitude in terms of the work, in terms of his job, definitely he may not be well deserved for a great salary. The second thing is the market demands skill set. If you do not have a skill set that gets you more money, then definitely you will not draw a great salary. That's why you should always keep learning new skills that is going to get you more money for you. And the third one is competitiveness. And the fourth factor is right opportunity. This is very crucial factor. Sometimes what happens for a particular company or a particular organization, they are looking for a certain people. They are finding very difficult in getting that kind of skills. That time, if your profile gets selected or if you are join that company, definitely they will try to give more salaries because there is a huge market demand. There is a lot of competitiveness for a particular job. If you are able to meet that criteria, definitely an organization will try to give you more salary for that opportunity. And the fifth factor is your education qualification. Education qualification also plays a very important role in your career, especially in the beginning of your career. The sixth one is your overall experience. How many years of experience are you bringing? What kind of exposure you have? The last one is the company which you have worked for, whether you work for a services company, whether you work for a product company, or you worked in tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 companies. Tier 1 means very top notch company, high paying companies like IBM, Accenture, Microsoft, Google, Yahoo. With this background, let us understand what is the salary difference between a developer and a tester. So I have pulled the data from PayScale as well as Glassdoor. So these are the two important portals available for a salary information. So I just pulled the information from these two websites. So from these websites, it clearly calls out if you are a software tester, the average salary was around 3.22 lakhs is an average salary in India. Similarly, if you see in the Glassdoor, the average salary was around 5 lakhs. That is a median salary in Indian context. Software developer with this contest, they are trying little higher salary compared to a tester. If we can see, right, if we can make a comparison between a software developer or a software tester, so software tester was drawing 3.22 lakhs, but software developers they're drawing little higher salary, which is 5 lakhs. Similarly, if we can see in the Glassdoor as well, the tester is drawing around median salary of 5 lakhs, developer is drawing little higher salary compared to a software tester. Then we will see the next comparison, which is what is the salary or pay versus your experience level. If you are looking at this graph, if you can see, right, in the beginning of the career, you are getting around 2 lakhs per annum. Then with the 1 to 4 years of experience, you are drawing up to 3.33 lakhs. Then the experience from 5 to 9, which is 6 lakhs. and 10 to 19 years, around 10 lakhs of salary was offered for software tester over the period, over with the experiences. But if you are trying to compare similar experience for the software developer, we can see right in the beginning itself, the developers were getting little higher salary, 3.6 lakhs salary, then 1 to 4 years, 4.8, 5 to 9, 8 lakhs, 10 to 9, more than a million, around more than a 10 lakhs. And over the period, over the experiences of 20 plus, then again it drops for the software developer. So this is the another comparison for software tester versus software developer, which I just picked this from pay scale, these graphs. And with this comparison, we can really make the software testers getting consistent salaries over the period, but developers after certain period the salary goes down, which is maybe after 20 years of experience. That is the picture it is showing for this comparison. Then the next comparison is I try to provide a salaries from top-notch companies for a software developer as well as similar kind of comparison for software tester in another similar kind of companies. Let's talk about an Infosys. So if we are looking at the Infosys, the average salaries for a software tester is around 4.9 lakhs. This is for Infosys. If you are seeing on the left side for the software developer, which is 4.74. With this, we are able to see software testers are drawing little higher salary. Let's take another example, Accenture. So Accenture, the developer is getting 5.18 lakhs, but here software tester 5.29, which is another 10,000 rupees more. Then we will compare another company, yeah, Wipro. So when we are trying to compare Wipro with tester with developer, Wipro getting 4.72 lakhs for software tester, but developer is drawing 4.61 lakhs. Then if we are seeing Cognizant is 5.22 lakhs for software tester, here 5.2 lakhs for software developer. At least with this comparison, we can really make an conclusion that again it's based on the company, based on the demand, based on the experience. We could see software testers are really getting little higher salary compared to a software developer. At least from these companies' perspective. Certain companies in India for software testers, they really pay very well salary even compared to developers. But certain companies, they just give more salary for software developer but lesser for software tester. But again, it depends on the situation. As I said in the beginning, there are various factors is involved for defining a salary for software tester and a developer. At least as per the conclusion from my point of view, software tester and developers are equally competitive in the market. Again, based on their competitiveness in the market, both software tester and developers, they are well deserved for the right salary, equal salary in the IT industry from Indian market contest. I am hoping you guys got a clear idea what is the salary comparisons between software tester and software developer. If you guys really like this video, please click on like button, and if you guys are not subscribed to Testing Shala, then do subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.